Hey there, I'm out here at Cadence in the East Valley, the far East Valley. And I drove all the way from Goodyear and it took me 45 minutes, doing about 80. So not bad at all. I'm out here to shoot specifically this one house that I'm gonna go into right now. And this is by Lennar again. This is the Evolution floor plan, and it is a next-gen model which offers two homes basically in one. So the main, the home measures just about 3,000 square feet. The main living side is 3 bedrooms plus a den and 2 bathrooms. And then the next gen side, the guest suite is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a kitchenette, and a living space as well. It has its own garage on that side, which is really nice and unique to most of the next gen homes. I'm gonna flip this around and go through, and I'm out here because this home is modeled out here and it's not out in Goodyear and Buckeye and in other locations, but it is available out in Arroyo, Seco, which is out by Verado, and I do believe it might be also available at Canyon Views. So I'm getting that confirmed tomorrow. So I'm gonna turn this around and go through here. Really nice home. Once again, Lennar, quality builder. When you use their preferred lender, they do offer $5,000 in closing costs currently. Build time is, I'd say 6-7 months, although they have been going really quick. Hello, Yvette, Roxana. I can't call you, I just can't get into calling you Yvette. And so here from the front door, there's a den, and it is always as a den, even though there's closet doors on it. So someone can put like a barn door on here and make it a room, but it is as a den. Feel free, folks, don't worry. You're gonna be famous. I'm gonna go towards the kitchen, all right? Living space with what appears to be a 12-foot slider. Roxana, it's asking me if I want to bring you on camera, so let me know. Do a little watch party here. I'm not going to focus on the backyard, since the backyard is, and where the model is obviously going to be decked out. I know some people have asked about pools, and I will say, this is a beautiful chef's kitchen, by the way. I will say that all home builders usually have a preferred pool builder, and I recently closed on a sale in the West Valley with Lennar, and my client chose to use another home builder that I had referred to them, and so you can get a pool from various home builders. I will note that on a new home, a pool, realistically, a pool is about $30,000 and up, 25 to 30,000 and up. And here would be the hallway bath. It's a full bath. I'm not going to go in there. Nice size bedroom. I'm going to call that 13 by 13. That's a nice size bedroom. That's cute. And again, little cat theme going on here. I'm going to say that's got to be the garage. Okay, so 2 bedrooms up front here, bathroom, main living space. Nice kitchen. I really like it. Dennis, if you're watching, I came out here specifically for you so you'd see this floor plan rather than having to come out here on Thursday. It actually took me a couple days to figure out where it is modeled. Master bedroom with a door off to the patio. I will note for those of you that are interested in the East Valley, Cadence is a beautiful and award-winning community with all sorts of amenities, parks all over the place, like beautiful, amazing parks. Wow, that's a nice sized closet. Beautiful parks, pools, clubhouses, lots of looks like a great community to live in where people can be social, kids grow up together. All right, so that's the main part of the house, right? 3 bedrooms, the den, and the 2 bathrooms. And then I'm not going to go through that way. Let's see if I can get in through this way. This is the NextGen side, which again is really popular for those that are multi-generational living, in-laws. Beautiful. Young adult kids, in-laws, cash flow property. Obviously being the model. Beautiful, right? Sufficient. Large bedroom. And then this is that entrance door off of the courtyard. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's the garage. Inside laundry, bathroom, living space. This is the front door off the courtyard right here. And then it's got its own back little area. Yeah, I'm not supposed to go out there. It's got a little back patio. They've got this locked, so I can't go out there. But that gives the people that live on this guest suite, NextGen side, a little private patio area. And that's it. So this is the Evolution model. It measures just about 3,000 square feet. And the model changes just a tad bit in square footage from one community to another. So it does fluctuate between like 2,990 and 3,000 and a couple square feet. But the floor plan itself is the same. Beautiful home. Out here in the East Valley, this is, I just saw this morning, there's a resale home, this same floor model that was built in 2019, listed at $559 in the West Valley, just by Arroyo Seco. This is, I do believe it was $336 for a base price. Hello, Sean. All right, and so I'm going to cut this one short. No need for me to go in the backyard because the backyard would definitely be different. This is actually a kind of shallow backyard. So I would imagine this is about as small as they do come. Floor plan itself is beautiful. The Evolution model. Sorry, out here, $482 base price. They got $28,000 for the Chef Platinum option, $14,000 for the luxury flooring, which takes that upgraded flooring throughout the whole home, and then the private living suite is the NextGen side. So each side is optioned out independently. This looks like it's $542 decked out. That's pretty sweet. Turnkey. Andrew Texador, with Homesmart. Make the smart move. Look at that, no mask. Thanks for watching, everybody.